And investigators also provided an update on the murder of 8-year-old Danielle Rowe. They surmise that the child was abducted and murdered by someone known to her.
We still believe the perpetrator was known to Danielle, and once again ask the public for their assistance in identifying the person. This year, in the 4 instances where children 12 and under were killed, the perpetrators were known to the victims and in positions of trust. Let me just say that providing this fact is by no means intended to diminish the significance of each tragic loss, because no child should be murdered.
Was taken from Brayton Primary and Infant School in Portmore, St. Catherine on June 8 and found seriously wounded in St. Andrew. She later died of her injuries.